Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Live, Love and Chill. Today we are going to prepare akki roti or rice roti. As the name says, it is prepared using rice flour. So let's begin with the recipe. Firstly, in a chopper I am going to add 1 onion, a small piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, small bunch of coriander greens. You can also add mint if you have, a little bit of spring onion, about 10 curry leaves. Things we are going to add depends on our taste. You can skip if you don't like, or else you can add some other ingredients as well. Now chop all of them finely. Next I am going to add a little bit of freshly grated coconut. So I have taken about half cup of coconut in a jar, grind it into a smooth paste. I am not adding much of water while grinding. Next, in a bowl I have taken about 2 cups of rice flour. Add all the chopped ingredients. I am adding about 1 small grated carrot and the coconut paste as well. Next to this, add about half teaspoon of jeera, about 1.5 teaspoon of salt, mix all of the ingredients thoroughly. Add a little bit of water and prepare a smooth dough. Here I have added about 1/4 cup of water. Since water is already present in coconut paste and all the veggies and greens, add it accordingly. Now the dough is ready. Let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it is rested. Here I have taken baking sheet. You can also take leaf or any plastic sheets, etc. Add about 1 teaspoon of oil and spread it thoroughly. Now take a portion of dough and spread it using your hand as shown. Spread it as thinly as you can. The dough will turn little bit smooth and little crispy, and it will be yummy to taste. Do not keep the roti very thick since it might not get cooked thoroughly. Now transfer the roti into the tawa as shown. Just place it over the tawa and dab on the top a little bit. Sorry for the bad lighting in this. Add about a teaspoon of oil. Close the lid and cook it for about 2 minutes. Now turn to the other side and apply a little bit of oil. Make sure to cook on both the sides until they turn a little bit of brown in color as shown. Once the both sides are cooked, the roti is ready to be served. You can serve it with some coconut chutney or any other sambar, or you can eat it as it is without any side dishes as well. So if you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.